Hey guys, so I'm out here in my front yard. So it's looking nice and green. It's almost close from being fully grown. The St. Augustine is coming out, looking good. And it looks like real soon it looks like real soon I'm gonna need to cut my boxwoods. Well, they sure grow like crazy in the spring. So probably maybe late April or early May, I'll probably cut them. That's usually when I normally cut them. These are coming out real good. I didn't even touch these at all last year. I just did those. So whenever I do, I'll do a video on cutting them. I'm still am kind of learning on how to use a hedge trimmer. So I've had my hedge trimmer for almost 2 years. I'm getting better at it though. Real soon I'll need to fertilize the grass though. I just haven't had much of a chance. Need to at least get off my lazy ass and get some fertilizer. I don't use none of them cheap chemical stuff. I like using the organic stuff. So I thought I'd do this one video here on my car because I have a problem with it. The car still running great, but I think my air conditioning has gone out in it. So I'll go in. The car is really dirty. I need to wash it though. Mainly because of when I drove out over to my aunt's place last Saturday. It's all dirty and filthy. She's all dirty on the inside. Boy, it is hot in here. It's a little humid today. Yeah, the cars are all dirty. It looks like a cat has been on my car because I can see some footprints. Looks like it's from a cat. But yeah. Well, we'll go on and start it up because it's a warm start because I was just drove it. As you can see, I have my AC on, and I always have it on the recycled air, which right here says max. And yeah, it's not even blowing out any cold air. So let me open the hood. Boy, she's really dirty. Ugh. Oh, hang on a second. Let me get the rod up. Yeah, she's still running good. 13 years old, still runs like brand new. I don't know for sure where the compressor is. Don't know for sure. But I don't think it's really the compressor. I think it could just be, might just need Freon. That's what it could just be. Alright, so now I'll just turn the recycled air off, and I'm going to turn the AC off. And I just heard the compressor kick off, so that means the compressor's still good. show you the miles that this thing's got. 54,910 miles. I think at 54,912 I'm due for an oil change, so I think real soon I'm going to need to take this thing and get the oil changed done. And both the cooling fans are running. They're both in low speed mode because it's not really warm enough out here for them to be in high speed mode. I'm going to set my camera down and I'm going to turn the AC back on because I'm pretty sure it's not the compressor. I'll just set you up on the battery. And if you heard that clicking noise, that means the compressor kicked on. I'll put the recycled air back on. Well, it feels, well, a little cool, but it's just not cold. Not cold at all. So yeah, I'm pretty stumped here. And it's been almost a week now since my dad's had his car in the repair shop, and I don't even know for sure on what the deal is with his car. He had to bring it in to the repair shop last Friday because the engine light was on. And it's been almost a week since my dad brought his car in. I can't really bring this one in because apparently I gotta have it. My dad's been driving it lately. See, a couple days ago I just put gas in it. Now it's right at a quarter of a tank full because, just like I said, my dad's been driving it because he hasn't, just because of his car in the shop, he's been driving it on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday for physical therapy. So maybe I just need some Freon added to it. I would just hope that that's what it is. Alright, so let me shut it down. Yeah, just like I said, I don't think it's the compressor, which I hear they're very expensive when they do go out and have to replace them. But I probably still need to get a new a serpentine belt. It still is squealing a little bit, but just when it's been running for a while, it doesn't even squeal at all. So thought I'd just do this video. I'll eventually will get this taken care of before the summertime because it's probably going to be another hot summer just like last year. Alright guys, so hope y'all enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching.